Let me tell you now, we are creating an application, right? Most of the times in real-time scenarios, you will not do this part. This part will be taken care by some senior level architects, because you will not create a new application. You will just work on an existing or already created application. So most of the times, like 90% of the time, until you get some very good experience, like it's some 10 years or 15 years of experience in Pega, you will not create a new application. Understood? Yeah, so this part is not that important, but you just need to know the navigation, how to do so. You can click on a new application. Okay, means so before that, is there any general setting or setting up of environment? No, require directly new application. Right, yeah, directly new application. Before this, you can create an operator ID. Can you click on that right click? No, not on the right. You can do the left side. You have closed this panel. Right. I need to close this one. No left side. You used to get this. Yeah, records those things you used to get right left side panel. Yeah, left side panel. Can you keep your cursor to the extreme left? No, in the below only. Yeah, okay. Click on the records. Records, click on organization. In span organization, the operator ID. You try to create a one operator with your name. I think you are logging in with it. Many operator ID. Yes, you can click on the top create is there. Yeah, click on create. Do its install one. Still, it takes some time to bring the screen based it, so after installation, does it depends on the internet or what? No, it will not internet. Okay, so you can write your name. Short description, operator ID, yeah, you can write it, Chetan and Chetan, both are same. No, operator ID is not required. See, never mention the rule name against one description. See, the rule name itself is operator ID, right? So don't mention again operator ID in the show what you are saying. I just need to write name. Yeah, you just chase and it's fine. So this one is a short description. No, correct. Nothing. Short description is shown as a mandatory field, while operator ID is not a mandatory field. Must? I'm just giving in that as an ID. It will take that as an ID, okay. Okay, you can click on create and open. Is both supposed to be same? Yeah, it's okay. If you have given the same actually in our mission 1, they will give an email ID. Okay. I click on save. Okay now. Full name is Chetan and email is also Chetan. If you saw an access group, you can give it. You can click on down arrow on the right side. No, click on the access group. You know, there, only on the right side. You have it right. You have just clicked this application access correct below. Yeah, click on down arrow. You'll get autocomplete free. Yeah, no, the down arrow is not working. Okay, You can give you PRPC. Administrators. You give PRPC administrators yeah and a selected access group and not save it. You know, this operator has access. That is not required. Those things are not required here. Okay, yeah, just save it. This required has 4 years in place. Go to work it up. You have given update. Click on update. Organization you give. Let's create an organization. Okay, we are working for. Okay, as of now, you give the current organization, whatever you do, some down arrow. Update it later. Point of time. Yeah, click on down arrow. You give DMOG division, you need to give me a ticket submit. I'll say password. Please enter a password. Yeah, go to security tab. You create one password for this operator to log in rules. You can give the rules 1, 2, 3, okay. No, save it. Just click on Save Done. Okay, now you have created your operator ID. Now try to create one application. Okay, click on a platform, New Application. Cosmos Classic. Let's try Classic 1. Okay, use this application type here. Click on that. We want to click on backwards. Can you click on back for a classic? Use a classic template to create an application that contains no predefined case steps. Are data types in the application? Yeah, click on the use this. Okay, application. See the application. What we are trying to create now is a food order application. Okay, some order kind of application. So the application might be. Yeah, you can. You put order. Don't click on create application. Okay, put order. You can give just order or online order also. You can give anything, might will be fine. Now, as a developer of the, every time we have to see the advanced configurations. Okay, how the advanced configurations look like. You can click on that advanced configuration online food. Yeah, I don't want this configuration application structure. Application structure is there. It is asking whether it's a framework or implementation. What is a framework? Framework is like a base level application. Okay. Frameworks are the base level applications where sometimes we will buy a framework from Pegasus. Also see what Pegasus will do. Pegasus company will create one generic application. Okay, suppose there is a loan application. Okay, all the loan applications are the other flow. Intention is same. Right, like they will. Like what the loan applications will do. Actually, whenever the user applies for a loan, they will collect some kind of information from the user and, based on his assets and liabilities, they will actually grant some loan amount, right? This is the main theme of the loan application. So what Pegasus will do? Pegasus will create a framework for all of his vendors and it will sell that framework. Okay. So that all the vendors, like all the banks which are working with Pegasus, will buy that framework if they like it that one and they will extend that framework as per their requirement. Okay. They will do some small customizations. Okay. In that scenario, you will select your application as a framework application, or else you will select your application the implementation of it. Okay. You can see the application ID is online.